Hi everyone, this is Kamran Hussain. In this video, we will discuss about SQL Server architecture, two major components. This is the part 2 of architecture and this is my lecture 2 of SQL Server. So let's start. So first we discuss about protocol layer of SQL Server. This is the first component of protocol layer of SQL Server, that is name pipe. Name pipe is a network protocol which used to communication between SQL Server and client application. It's used for communication between the same machine or a local network. Means communication within a same machine or within a local network. So we will use the name pipe protocol. Second one is a very common protocol, that is TCP/IP. SQL Server use the TCP/IP protocol for the remote connection or over the internet. And this protocol layer facilitates the secure and efficient data transmission over the network. And this protocol layer in SQL Server facilitates the secure and efficient data transmission over the network. So that is a most commonly used protocol for SQL Server communication between SQL Server and client application. The last one is shared memory. Shared memory is one of the protocols that SQL Server use for local connection, and this is the fastest method for communication between client application and SQL Server instance on the same machine instance, because network is not involved in this communication. Due to that, this communication is very faster. This is the very important layer of SQL Server, that is relational engine. Relational engine is responsible for processing our query. It also known as query processor. It processes the user query by the use of SQL Server many functions and procedures. These are some major components of relational engine. First one is query parser. It takes input of query from the user. It is responsible for verify its syntactic and semantic accuracy of query. Second one is query optimizer. That is the most important part of query, because it's evaluate our query in a several strategies and it select the most effective query for us. And last one is query executor. That is retrieves and modify the actual data by the using of execution plan that was generated by our optimizer. Thanks for watching this video.